Here in Denison, Ohio. I believe that's a steam train I actually rode many, many years ago for Father's Day present. Doesn't look like they're doing much with it anymore, which is a shame. Okay, here I am in Denison, Ohio, taking a day trip to West Virginia. Not sure exactly where I'm going to end up. The goal is US 50 on the east side of Clarksburg to a favorite stretch of road of mine. There's the old girl. We're going to go over here to Over the Rail Diner. Used to be a train depot for breakfast. Breakfast stop.
Still in Denison. There's a picture of the other cars on display here before I start the bike up. Just had a great breakfast here at the Over the Rail Diner in Denison with a wonderful lady behind the counter. We had a really good long chat. And now we're going to be leaving town. I don't think it will show up all that well. We're going to drive past the display here. But I didn't have the camera running when I came into town, so I figured I'd just give this a shot here real quick. They're not running the steam train anymore, but she said there's talk they might revive it, which is a shame. We need to keep running these old steam trains. You can see it up ahead here. It's all decked out in the World War II era with the old music playing in the background, and pretty sweet. If you've never been here, I highly recommend it. Haven't been here in years myself. Okay, on to West Virginia. On 800 South right now. I'm going to take it most of the way down to the Ohio River. There's a road I'm going to take a left on. If I can remember what number it was, I think it was a 5 something or a 2 something. I don't know. Just kind of going to play in my ear today. I end up where I end up. About at the end of 800 here in Ohio. Stayed on this road after all. The road I wanted to turn on was closed. We're approaching the Ohio River right now. Gonna turn north on 7 to be able to find a bridge to cross over into West Virginia. In the town of Fly, if you've ever heard of it. I know I've been through here on 7, but I can't say that I remember it. But where 800 separates from 26, it's been a very nice, good, curvy road. Actually in good shape. River ought to come into view, I think, after this corner. At least I can see it on the GPS. Yep, there's the Ohio. Still kind of muddy. Still no color down here. But I hear we're supposed to frost this coming weekend, so who knows what the next couple of weeks will bring. That's not a sign you want to see as you're approaching the bridge. Bridge work ahead. Expect delays. Yay. Well, you're basically in Hannibal, Ohio. State Route 7. It's been a few years since I crossed a bridge this way. Bridge needs a good paint job, if nothing else. Oh, to fix what they're doing the way it's all wrapped up. One lane road ahead, and we're stopping. And we're off. Well, I don't know if all that tin on the ceiling shows up, but I bet that was a lot of work. Wow. Guys have got their work cut out for them, that's for sure. I'm going to go up here and find me a place to stop and figure out which way I want to keep going. Well, just leaving Sisterville, West Virginia. Going to get on 18 here. I don't believe I've ever been on this road. We'll soon find out. We're going to take 18 to 23 and 23 to US 50 around Clarksburg. Then that'll get me to the part of 50 that I really, really like. Sure, I could have done the quick route, taking the interstate down to 50, but it's no fun. I got no time limit. I'm just cruising. I will say this much, it's beautiful on this road. Nice sweeper style of corners so far, nothing complicated or technical. The scenery's lovely. Well, I had the twisty sign back there. So far we're getting a few corners here. I almost brought 180 down. Maybe I should have. Gives me something to do some other ride, huh? That's what I want to see, a slow truck with a bed full of garbage. Is that garbage even secured properly where it's not a danger to me? Well, I got a small passing lane back there, and he was nice enough to slow down a little bit and wave me by. That kind of helps. Good on him. Out here in the middle of nowhere, there's a giant school. Nice. Okay, after getting held up in traffic for quite some time, I stopped back there in Grafton and had me a nice blizzard. Getting ready to enter, well, I'm already on US 50, but just about to hit the really fun section here. Going east from Grafton, like I said earlier. Be stopping up here at this little country store. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll show you a video when I get there. We'll be just a couple of miles west of the Maryland border when we get there. So enjoy. Well, pulled off the road for a few minutes. We'll see if this helped. I doubt it. I don't know if it caught on camera, but a guy pulling a mobile home. I sure wouldn't choose this route pulling a trailer if I had a better route. Yep, gotta watch them big trucks on your side of the road that way too. I figured I'd catch these guys. Well, I backed way off there for a while, let this Camaro get ahead of me. Just now starting to get into the most fun part of 50 for me. Maybe I'll get lucky. Where I can just enjoy the corners, have a good time. Can't seem to catch them right. Get by the truck. There ain't no getting around this mess. Well, here we are at Cool Springs Park. I always stop at the end of Route 50 there. It's a cool little place. It's got a great little shop. There's a little restaurant inside I've never tried. Most importantly, they have ice cream. But I've already had my fill of that for the day. They have gas here too if you want it. And it's just an overall cool little park. I'll take you on a tour here in a few minutes.
Did you say Thanksgiving dinner? Yeah, the old wheel's not running today. Great little place if you ever get here. I'll try to put it in the video as a map. See if I can learn how to do that. Oh, the old farm machinery. Of course, some train car stuff. Forgive the bouncy video, but I don't have any fancy gimbals or anything. It's just a cell phone in my hand. Maybe someday I'll get fancy like that. But I do the videos for fun.
Okay, just left that little, whatever you want to call it there. I am now on Route 72 North. I've never been on this road before, so I have no clue if it's going to be a good thing or a bad thing. Right now, just getting started. This is wonderful. But what I'm going to do is take this north and then find a way to get on 68 West, 79 North, to 70 West, to 77 North, and then 250 home. So, like 3:20 in the afternoon, it'll be dark by the time I get home, most likely. So, it's time to start heading that way, unfortunately, even though I'm not ready to. Had a couple pull in on a Harley there right before I left just to find out they're from Medina. We're damn near neighbors in Ohio. Oh wow, look at that river. And the side of the road is caving in. Yeah, I gotta get me a helmet mount camera too, so you guys don't miss all this. I can stitch the videos together. Whole bunch of geese down there. Hey look, some more railroad stuff. The old Baltimore, Ohio. This is a Civil War burial site back there. Been on this road before. It's a cool old town. River House Lodge. Oh, the road's kind of crap, but the scenery sure is great. River on the right of me, rocks on the left, stuck in the middle of you. Big old bind off to the right there that you can't see on camera.
I don't know if you can see the bike up there or not, but I managed to make it down the path here, if you want to call it a path, but you know what? I had to get this on video. This is too beautiful not to.
Hard not to stop every 5 seconds beside this river and take pictures. It is really gorgeous. Wow. I gotta come back down here in about a week or two when the colors are full bloom. So how does this sound, by the way? I've got the full face of my modular helmet completely open right now to the wind. I generally don't ride like that. Oh, look at the old rail bridge. Damn, about got me a buzzard. Fucking birds. That ain't the first one I've almost hit. Actually, I did hit one in the butt with my Jeep. Broke my headlight. Well, I had to turn away from that beautiful river. It's time to start getting home. According to the GPS, it's like 4 o'clock now. Won't be home till around 8:39. I'm on 7 heading west right now. Pick up the interstate, set the cruise control, and crank the jams, I guess. But I know I've never been on this part of the before. So it's all good. Yep, might as well enjoy it now. Nice. Because tomorrow I gotta lay tile in the mudroom. Just a cheap stick on crap in the mudroom. I'm not spending high dollar in there. Well, I'm on State Route 26 heading around. I'm trying to use this Garmin to get me home. It's just trying to do all this shit. Should have just done it the way I wanted to do it. Would have been a better way, but oh well. It's been a beautiful road. This is probably where I'm just going to call it a day as far as recording goes. Until next time, thanks for watching. If you like any of these, hit the subscribe button. I like doing them. I'm not a pro, but hey, let's have some fun. Maybe you'll see some roads you never saw before. Okay, bye.